in the quiet sea of endless mind. I drift through dreams the stars designed. The waves of doubt begin to fade as faith and love become the trade. There's a light within the deep, a promise my soul will keep. Through every shadow, through every fear, the truth I see is always near. Behind the veil, I start to see the part of me that longs to be free. No need to run, no need to run. No, the universe lives inside. The silence whispers you are whole. Every loss refines the soul. In stillness I remember why I'm made of stars, not meant to die. There's a light within the deep, a promise my soul will keep. Through every shadow, through every fear, the truth I seek is always near.